Hey everyone, this is Piggy, and this is the trade recap on Friday. Today's Saturday, and I want to give you a recap of my trades yesterday. And I just want to show you my trading style and why I made certain trades, and just a basic review of my trading day. I like to do these more often, and let me know what you guys think, okay? Let's go over the trades. So on Friday, I saw a couple of trades that came up, and my trading style is the strictly 5-minute candle, and I like to use options to trade. So let's go over them. So for Friday, we have PayPal first. So let's look at PayPal. So on PayPal on Friday, it was quite a crazy day. So let's go over the 5-minute chart. So when the bell rings, PayPal got a giant dump from all the way from 146.40 to 143. And as you can see on the previous day, I had my support and resistance drawn from my previous day's trading, and this chart was there since the beginning. So I actually wasn't paying attention to PayPal in the beginning, and when it dumped all the way, dumped all the way from here to here, I should have gotten here as my support, and as you can see, it jumped right back up here. So I should have gotten there, but I didn't take the opportunity, so I missed out on the opportunity there. So what was my trade? My trade was, it went from 5-minute bearish candle. So my trade was actually somewhere here. So I saw this candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle of the previous candle. So it's the body of the candle is much bigger than the previous. And I saw this as a signal of the reversal. So I took the trade right here, thinking that it will probably dump right after. So I took it and held it, and I actually made good profit here, but I didn't see that this was, I saw another bearish candle here. I'm thinking this is great. My move's probably going to be paying off. But somehow PayPal made a big jump. The thing is, it never jumped over the resistance, right? So, but as I saw these two candles, I doubted my trade, so I exited right there for a $8 loss. It's a really quick scalp, so when you trade, if you think you're wrong and you don't feel like you're correct, exit the trade. If I feel confident about a trade, I exit it. So the way I trade is I look at candles mostly. I don't really look at anything else. I have these symbol moving average there for fun, but I don't really look at them. I look at the candle actions. So I exited there, and that's it. So my second trade is Disney. So I saw it in the scanner that Disney came up, but it's a $224 option, and it was a 3-month out option. So Disney was, let's take a look at Disney. At that point, when I entered it, it was somewhere here, I think. Wait, did I enter? Yeah, so it was so I entered it here, looking at the support of the day's low, and then it jumped right back up. So this was a great profit. The problem is I accidentally closed my order when somewhere here. I'm not sure why, but I closed the order by accident. So that took a $1 loss. But if I had kept it, this would easily be a $50 gain. So this is like a monthly Disney option because I saw it on a scanner. So I'm sad about that there. However, I also had another Disney order. This is weekly near the money option. So this is a 1-week expiration near the money, which is 107. So that one, I took it really well. I bought the option there. Looking at this candle, it's a great support. So I had a stop loss somewhere down here, because you don't want to set the stop loss right over here. You want to set it a bit lower. So I had a stop loss somewhere here. And then Disney just went on a tear, and it went straight up and tried to test the previous resistance again. So I held it. I didn't sell here. I held it, and it started to go down here. So I think I got out like right here. So for a quick, just $25 profit. Should have been a lot higher, but yeah, it should have been a lot higher. Anyway, I should have held it longer because Disney went on a crazy tear, but no one knows this is gonna happen. So happy you take a profit. The key to trading is you take profit whenever you can. So CB is another one that came up in the scanner. Where is CB? So CB was a really good one. So I bought I saw it on the scanner, and this is a 3-month 10% strike call. So this is a 3-month out option. That's the price is $110 strike. I saw CB in the morning gapping up like crazy. It took a giant dump and then took another dump. So here was a great support, right? Let me show you in my other charts. Maybe this would be better. So I drew these charts. This is later in the day. Anyway, here's a great support. I bought it like somewhere down here at the support. So that's my trading style. I buy at the support. I don't buy at the open or anything because things tend to go crazy at open. So I let it settle down, establish a support and resistance, and then just trade swings. The profit might not be large, but it's a lot safer. So I entered here, and then I saw it go up, and then like it's making like crazy sideways action for so long. Somewhere here, I got out. So I was like, the volumes. You look at the volume; it's losing its volume, and the value of the option might go down. So I got out. But the thing is, it actually went on to make new highs. However, don't be sad about that, and you may just be happy that you made profit. So the $30 profit there, that could have easily be 60 because this thing ended up being $520 is the option. So yeah, take the win, take the small win, and be consistent. Disney, I talked about that. So here's a crazy PayPal put. So this is a weekly option on PayPal. So this is my favorite trade of the day. So looking at PayPal, I got out. Remember, I got out previously right here. So then I saw PayPal went up and try to break the highs again. So 146.3.4. This was the previous high. I've been watching for days. Now this is like really hard to take out, right? So I call this like a 4-candle top trade. I actually called this out on Twitter. Let's see, not this one. But I wrote a Twitter message about that. So it was like 4 candles. It tried to break the high 4 times, and it failed. So whenever I saw this candle here, I was like, you know what? It failed again. So this is looking really bearish. Let me take a put option on that, which is I'm betting that the stock will go down. So for PayPal, I entered at $142 worth of option. That's weekly, expired next week. So it's going to be very volatile. So I entered the put. And then before you know it, SPY took a dump. And then PayPal followed it. So it was really good trade because this is really hard to break through. It really went down, tried to come back up again, and then went down again. So I sort of took profit here because I thought this is the previous support. So I thought it was going to bounce back up here, but apparently it went and dump even further. Not going to be sad about that. Always take profit at your target zone. And I took profit like somewhere here for a quick $29. AMD. Ooh, I'm still a little sad about that. So AMD, I called out on I saw it on the scanner. I called out in my chat that I want to enter a trade for AMD right here. So I called out and I had a trade entered. The trade was good. I entered the weekly AMD trade. It went up like 12% profit right there. But then I saw this giant bearish candle right here, this giant dump right here. So I was like, you know what, this does not look good. My problem is I should have kept it longer and have a stop loss somewhere down here, but I didn't obey the rule. So I was like, I saw this, I'm like, this is no good. I don't feel confident anymore. And then I got out for a quick $2 loss on AMD. Now, if I had held it, it wouldn't have went all the way up, tried to test resistance again, and then it actually broke resistance and went to the second one, which is crazy. So that would have been an easily 50 to 100% profit on that option, but I didn't do anything. So, oh well. Now the next one was thanks to the app. I saw Apple. Now with the app, when you have a breaking news, something will come up. It'll say breaking news, something happened. So in this case, it was Apple. So I was just messing around, and then I heard the breaking news alert. I read it. I'm like, what's going on? And then apparently Apple reopened their factory in really soon. So that was the breaking news. So as soon as the news break, you got this giant candle here from all the way from 307 to 309. So me looking at the news, I didn't even think about it. I saw the news. I went straight up to Apple weekly option at the money. I bought it for $352. And then like in this is literally 2-minute trade, right? I got in somewhere here. Boom, it went up all the way up. And then like I sold right here, 309. So it was a quick $73 profit, like the quickest trade ever. And as you can see from the tweet here, like I saw the news on the app, bought into Apple right away, and made profits. So it was a quick 70. It wasn't 60, but at the end I held it longer. It was $73 profit. So I didn't want to hold it for a little bit. I know this is a healthy pullback. I should have entered again here for a crazy breakout, but I didn't do it. But it could have been another like $100 there. So yeah, that is the trade recap for the Friday. So I hope you guys like this kind of video. I plan to do more of these. Try to spread knowledge and teach people how to trade. I'm not an expert by any means, but I'm an amateur trader. But I would like to show you, and this is kind of my review of my trades today. So yeah, keep an eye out. Subscribe to the channel. And then follow me on Twitter, Piggy Terminal. And if you want to try out the Piggy Terminal app, just go to piggyterminal.com, enter the invite code, and then you can find an invite code in our Discord channel. Yeah, give it a try, guys. And I hope to see you in Discord. And let me know what you think about the videos. Thanks, guys.